In this video, I am going to show you how to install Java JDK and the INTELLIJ for programming purposes. To install Java JDK is used. I'll give the link in the description. It is downloaded from the Oracle website. Click download button for the latest Java JDK environment and click accept license agreement. Now we have to choose the version. It is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. I am choosing Windows exe file execute, or you may choose as zip file. I am downloading and installing it. Now we are going to install INTELLIJ IDEA. It is an integrated graphical user development environment, a platform to serve to program Java. Now click on the first link and then click the download button. It is available here from the community version. It is free and open source. The ultimate version is paid version. Here we are downloading the community version. It's available for Windows, Mac and Linux. I have already downloaded INTELLIJ. I have installed it. By clicking the INTELLIJ exe application, it comes here. Click next. Then this is the destination folder section. Click browse and change the destination where you want to install it. This is the type of launcher do you want to install. It's 32-bit launcher or 64-bit launcher. It may be both types. Click next. Now don't change anything, click install. I have already installed it, so I am cancelling. Now opening the file, don't change any configuration, do not import settings, and then enter it. Now click the accept license agreement and then continue. This provides both light and dark theme. I prefer light theme for teaching purposes. It will be good to view. Don't change anything and start using INTELLIJ IDEA. A good RAM computer may perform faster. INTELLIJ requires at least 4 GB of minimum RAM. Now click create new project. Setup file. Actually INTELLIJ consists of 3: installation, configuration and setup. Now we are setting. Check whether the Java JDK version is 12 as shown above, and click create configuration, create project for template, and then click next. We can change the project and then changing the title of the project name. Click next. You can give any name. Now we have completed all the process. The INTELLIJ provides a good and easy environment for Java programming. Thank you for choosing my video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.